of the swine flu.
Bird flu outbreak in many countries.
It's a public health emergency.
TV news, articles, podcasts, and even Instagram are constantly warning us about the flu, viruses, and the pandemic. So they can prevent the risk of losing an increasingly demanding clientele, or the all-too-familiar threat of viruses and increased animal mortality, the meat packing industry must secure a suitable solution. Introducing the unique HydroFogg and aeruginosa disinfection systems, a patented technology developed by young scientists and engineers from Detect Air. It eliminates dangerous pathogens, Salmonella, and bird flu, and thanks to its effectiveness, it is certified to eliminate pathogens and reduce infection to the level of a completely sterile environment. It can be installed in the entire building or facility, but also only in specific critical rooms. With its own intuitive software, it offers users rich automation options and works without negative impacts on the living and non-living environment. With the added bonus of dust removal, odor reduction, and cooling in the hot summer months, which will be absolutely appreciated by people and animals alike. Ensure clean and safe air for your whole facility. Go to www.detectair.sk.